Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the canvas and tools. Install Python 3, 10 or newer, and the graphics library you chose like Pillow, Pygame, or Turtle. Once done, create a new Py file, import the library, and initialize a window at 800x600 so you can see output immediately. Do this now, run the script, confirm the window appears. This first step shows why initialization matters. Without a proper surface, you cannot draw, and you save time by verifying the loop and event handling early. Now you add content and control. Call shape routines to draw rectangles, circles, and lines, setting fill, stroke color, and thickness so visuals match your design. At the same time, implement a main loop that updates frames and processes events. Handle quit, mouse clicks, and keyboard presses to make the scene interactive. Make functions like init, draw frame, and handle events to keep logic modular. This improves readability and lets you iterate faster when you tweak positions or animation timing. Finally, animate and export. Update object positions each frame and use delta time so motion stays smooth across machines. Once satisfied, capture frames or export a PNG or GIF using Pillow or Imagio to share results. Make sure to stop the loop cleanly and free resources. If things go wrong, for example a blank screen, check your event loop, ensure display. Flip or update is called, and confirm import succeeded. This single troubleshooting check resolves most display problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.